This is the Unger Rinse and GO, and it's a very cost-effective pure water cleaning and rinsing system for your automobiles and house windows. It does, however, have resin that'll go stale or run out, and you'll need to replace it. You test it with the testing meter and a little cup where you pour water in, test it, and when it's above 10 for windows or 30 for cars, you're going to want to replace the resin. This is how you do it. Turn off the water source, release the pressure, push down on the lever, turn it, pull up. Inside is a resin bag, which is your replacements inside of this bag. Take your new one out of the bag, place it in the resin holder for the rinse and go. Put this back on and snap her closed. Resin's been refilled.